to show you an up close look of this bathroom faucet that I received from the company. I personally think that it's like a very stylish, like timeless classic look. It's not super heavy, which I do like. And it works really nicely. Like there's no problems with this. Everything that you need will come with it. This is like the stopper for the sink part. So this comes in the box as well. So again, like whatever you would need will come with it, as well as some of the piping, the plumbing pieces to it. I don't know exactly what this is, but it does seem like it's made nicely with the metal. The directions are in there. So if you need to have some like instructions, my husband could definitely do this. I personally would not be able to. I wanted to show you what it looks like in our bathroom. Just gives it like more of an updated look. And you can see like the size of it. This is just like a regular soap dispenser. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what the size would be in your bathroom. I wouldn't use this in a kitchen, definitely too small, but perfect for a bathroom or a powder room. If you need a new faucet, I would definitely give this one a try.